Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we have a 2012 Toyota Camry. On this Toyota Camry we're going to go over how you'd replace your license plate lights. If you've got one on each side, we're going to go over how you replace this one. There's a couple ways. Some you can take off the whole thing and bring it out. But if you have a nice little pointer tool, you can get up in here, push it over, because we're just trying to pop the cover off. Go. So we pop the cover off, and then up in here is a light bulb. And you pull out. And this light bulb here, well, that light bulb is a 168. So we've got a new one. So we've got our new 168 light bulb. And then this just presses in there. Line it so the flat side goes in the grooves there. Just gonna make sure it works before going further. Now, just take the cover. And it just snaps back into place. If you get it the right way. Just like that. The light bulbs, the cover snaps right back into place on your Toyota Camry after you've replaced your license plate light bulb. Thanks for watching.